Find the equation and sketch the parabola that has focus 0, 1 and directrix y equal to -4. So first of all, we just do a quick sketch first. So we just do x and y axis first. On this, so this is y axis, this is x axis. The focus point is 0, 1, so 0, 1 here roughly, so this is 1, and the directrix y equal to -4, so y equal -4 is here, so y equal to -4. Now the focus point is always inside the parabola, so this is the focus point 0, 1, and the vertex should be halfway in between, so roughly here, and is upright. Just a rough sketch. Now to find this, you know that the focal length is from focal point to the vertex, and from directrix to the vertex the same, which is A. So therefore we just find the midpoint between 1 and -4. So we just go 1 plus -4 divided by 2, which is -3/2, or -1.5 if you like. So therefore the vertex of this, so I write -3/2 easier, so which is 0 minus 3/2. Then we know that the general rule is x squared is equal to 4ay. Now the vertex is 0, I just write down here first, 0 minus 3/2, which is the x coordinate doesn't move, so x squared is still the same, and then 4 times a. So a is to find a is from here to here is 1 unit, and you go another 1.5, so therefore 2.5. So a equal 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5, so 2.5, or 5/2 if you like, so which is 4 lots of 5/2, and then y, because it's the coordinate of y is moved down 3/2, so which is we do opposite. Remember that inside bracket we will always do opposite, so which is at 3/2. So now 4 times a half, or 4 divided by 2 if you like, is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So x squared, otherwise just use calculator, which is 10, open bracket, y plus 3/2. Now all I need to do is I just remove the bracket. So x squared, which give me 10y, 10 times 3/2, half of 10 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15. Then I just rearrange on everything on this side, it just look nicer, that's all. So x squared minus 10y minus 15 is equal to 0. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So we know that the focus point is 0 minus 2 and the directrix is 2. So again, I just do a quick sketch for this graph. So it's easier to find the equation. So all we need to do is find the vertex first, and the rest is easy. So 0 minus 2 is here. So -2 here, and then the directrix is y equal 2, so y equal 2 roughly is here, so y equal 2. So therefore 0, 0 is a halfway, so a is from here to here equal to 2, same thing is 2 units. So remember the focus point always inside the parabola, and the directrix is always opposite of the vertex, outside parabola if you like. So this is the sketch. So it's upside down parabola. So now the rule is x squared is equal to 4ay. Now the vertex is 0, 0 in here. 0, 0 is the turning point. Then a is 2. But in this case, because it's upside down parabola, so it's just negative. So therefore x squared equal negative 4 times 2. So 4 lots of 2, and then y stay the same. So therefore x squared is equal to 4 times 2 is 8, so minus 8y. please pause the video and try this one yourself. So we know the focus point of this is 3 minus 2. And the directrix is y equal to 2. So again, I just do a quick sketch first. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So just label it first. And then the focus point is 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 roughly here. It doesn't matter, just a quick sketch. So 3, negative 2. And then the directrix is y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 is roughly here. So y equal to 2. So now clearly see that from here to here is 2 units and here 2 units. So draw not to scale. So the vertex is here, right on the x-axis. And of course it's upside down because of the focus is always inside parabola. So the vertex of this is move 3 to the right, which is negative 3, and y is 0. So therefore, the vertex is minus 3, 0. So now, the rule is x squared is equal to 4ay. Now, x, the vertex is minus 3, 0. It moved 3 to the right, 3 units to the right, so which is x plus 3. All square is equal to, now to find a, we can see this a is 2 units. So because from 0 to the directrix is 2, so the focal length is 2, and because the parabola upside down, so we just put a negative 4 lots of a is 2, and then y coordinate doesn't move, so just 4y. Now I just rewrite this, so plus 3 all square equal negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, so negative 8y. So this is the equation of the parabola. Please stop the video and try this one. So we know that the focus point is minus 2, 1, and the directrix is 5. So again, just do a quick sketch. So just draw y-axis, and then because it's y directrix, the y equal 5, and then the focus point also on positive. So I just draw this, the negative y value, I just leave a little bit, that's all, because I don't need that. So this is x and this is y. The focus point is minus 2, 1. So minus 2, 1 here roughly, that's the focus point. Negative 2, 1. And the directrix y is equal to 5. So along here, so y is equal to 5. So therefore, the turning point or vertex, if you like, is halfway in between. So along here, this is the axis of symmetry, if you like. I missed that. So just find halfway. So which is 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 here somewhere. That's a vertex. So the vertex is negative 2 and then 3. Of course, it's upside down because this is focus point is minus 2, 1. So it's just like that. Just a rough sketch, okay? I just try this one more time. That's it. So that's all. Now what I need to do now is just to write out the equations. So we know that because it's x squared, so we know that x squared equal 4ay. And this time a, because it's upside down, so it's just negative instead. So we find a first. So from 1 to 3 is 2 units. Otherwise from 3 to 5 the y value is 2 units. So therefore a is equal to 2. So therefore we know that the vertex are right here, so we can compare. So minus 2, 3, that's a vertex. So this means instead of x squared, it's x plus 2 all square, because it's moved 2 to the left. And inside bracket, always opposite. So 4 times 8, 8 is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, but negative because it's upside down. So minus 8. And then y, now because the y coordinate move up 3 units. So which is bracket, so move up 3, because inside bracket, always opposite. Please keep that in mind. So minus 3. Close bracket. And that's the equation of the parabola. Thank you so much for watching my videos.